In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and upload your contacts into Hubspot. This process will help streamline your CRM operations, ensuring all your valuable contact data is securely stored and easily accessible for your marketing and sales efforts. So let's go through this step by step, ensuring a seamless integration with your HubSpot account. First off, you'll want to navigate to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice all the options and features they offer. But what we want to focus on right now is getting logged in. There should be a login button at the top, so go ahead and click on that. After clicking the login button, you'll need to enter your credentials. Now, if you're new to HubSpot and don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before you can proceed. Assuming you're already a user, fill in your email and password, then hit enter to access your HubSpot home. Once you're in the HubSpot home dashboard, locate where it says CRM. This stands for Customer Relationship Management, which is crucial for organizing and managing your contacts. Click on CRM and it will lead you to a section where you can manage all your customer information. Now that you're in the CRM section, the next thing you need to do is find and click on Contacts. This area is specifically designed to manage all the information related to your contacts. Once you're in the Contacts section, give yourself a moment to get familiar with the interface if you haven't been here before. The next step in this process is to look for the Add Data button. It should be somewhere visible on the Contacts page. Click on this button to begin the process of importing your contact file. After clicking Add Data, you'll be presented with options. In this case, you'll want to choose Import a File. This is where we'll be getting our contact information from the file on your computer to HubSpot's system. Once you've decided to import a file, you'll need to specify exactly what kind of data you're bringing into HubSpot. Look for the option that says Contacts, Companies, and Other CRM Data, and click on that. This tells HubSpot that you're uploading contacts, among other CRM-related data. Finally, after selecting the type of data, you're ready to initiate the upload. Look for the Start Import button and click it. This will prompt you to locate your contact file on your computer. Make sure the file is formatted correctly, typically in a CSV format, as this is standard for data uploads in HubSpot. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your contacts into HubSpot, making them more accessible for future marketing campaigns and sales initiatives. With these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly manage and organize your contacts in HubSpot, ensuring all your necessary client data is right at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.